The best underwater drones, or ROVs, are submersible, waterproof machines that capture the wonders of the deep. If you'd like to explore shipwrecks, get close to aquatic nature, or take your fishing trips to another level, then you need one of the best underwater drones. Also known as remote-operated vehicles, or ROVs, underwater drones are remote-controlled submarines, allowing you to shoot video under the sea. In this video we will the knowledge of best 5 underwater drones. Before jump into it, do not forget subscribe my channel for exploring knowledge. So let's start the show. Number 5, CHASING Dory underwater drone.
More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by one important resource: water. And 95% of that is unexplored territory, leaving entire oceans of mystery before us. We are chasing that mystery, chasing adventure, chasing new discoveries. And now we're bringing the underwater world to the surface for everyone with the smallest, most portable and affordable underwater drone ever. Introducing Dory. We successfully brought Gladius Mini to market, winning the Red Dot Product Design Award. Now, with Dory, we're making waves all over again. The genius of Dory lies in its compact size and portability. There's no bulky remote, meaning less gear to haul. Instead, you simply control Dory with your phone using the intuitive Chasing Dory app. With Dory in your backpack, there truly are no boundaries. Dory is ideal for those who love to share their adventures on social media. The ability to easily post and live stream makes it a win-win for people who want to capture the moment for all their friends and followers to see. Depth Lock lets you dive and remain at the precise depth you want, so you can either idle or cruise with maximum stability. 45-degree tilt lock mode mimics the up and down movement of the human eye, providing the perfect angles to scan the ocean floor or peer up at the crystal water above. With screen sharing, live streaming, and co-pilot, friends and family can watch or help control your dive in real time on multiple wireless devices. But let's dive deeper. With its hydrodynamic design and shark-like precision, Dory can reach depths of over 49 feet, and with 2 built-in 250 lumen lights. The high-end camera has a 100-degree field of view for expansive photos and video. And its f1.6 wide aperture lens is ideal for low-light situations. With 8 gigabytes of storage capacity, you'll have plenty of room to store your adventures. Its 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, compass, and calibration system keep you positioned perfectly for all your voyages. Small, simple, smart. With Dory, it's in full, glorious view and commanded by you. Join us and explore the next generation of aquatic wanderlust. Join the chase. Chasing Dory.
Number 4, CellBee underwater sea scooter with camera underwater drone. CellBee's sea scooter adopts classic yellow-black colors that are different from other sea scooters on the market by applying scientific streamline and symmetrical design, and it can be used with the majority of sports cameras for shooting, allowing you and your children's family to enjoy underwater fun. CellBee's sea scooter is equipped with a 360W high-power motor. The maximum depth it can dive is 30 meters 98 feet, and it can reach 1.2 meters per second, 4.3 kilometers per hour, 2.7 miles per hour in maximum speed. The performance is excellent. There is a button for adjusting the speed on the machine, which high speed and low speed can be switched by one key. P.S. After use, please run the machine in clean water. To clean the propeller, CellBee's underwater scooter has a built-in 4400 mAh battery, which can last for up to 45 min in low-speed mode, up to 20 mins in high-speed mode. CellBee's underwater scooter weighs 2.7 kilograms, measures by 19x10x6 in inches, and its built-in battery allows you to check it on the plane. CellBee provides a 365-day product warranty service for your scooter. Number 3. Trident underwater drone.
The history of underwater remotely operated vehicles is that they've been prohibitively expensive. There's something that only the military has, or oil and gas companies, or big research institutions. They've been big, they've been expensive. That wasn't okay with us. So we started building these tools for ourselves. We wanted a tool that was portable, that we could bring anywhere, that we could send down below the surface and give us views of these underwater places that we couldn't go with our physical bodies. The camera on Trident is specially tuned for low light environments underwater. It streams beautiful video back to the surface. It makes you feel like you're really there.
Trident's capable of going to depths of 100 meters, which is several times deeper than any scuba diver would go recreationally. And it's also capable of getting into spots that may be too dangerous for divers to go, like inside of shipwrecks or caves. We're really trying to broaden the horizons for what people can see using this type of technology. We're really proud of what Trident looks like on the outside. It's clearly a very beautiful vehicle. Every aspect of that shape is functional. It's extremely hydrodynamic and very low drag, which also allows it to go very fast. About 2 meters per second, which is about the speed of Michael Phelps in the Olympics. It's also designed to be really rugged, to make sure that it would be able to function in some of the harshest environments. One of the things a user of Trident will notice is how easy it is to fly. It's kind of like how you'd picture going through the water in a dream. It sort of glides, and you can dive over cliffs and really just have the complete freedom to do whatever you want underwater.
This is really a device to bring you up to the edge of discovery of what humans know about this part of our planet, and allowing you to take the driver's seat to see what's out there.
Number 2. Tether Titan Professional Underwater Drone. The ultimate underwater drone, diving up to 150 m, 492 feet, high anti-compression strength, Titan is professional underwater drone for geek. Innovation technology 4K UHD camera integrated with professional deep sea starlight level 4K camera and a 0.5-inch CMOS image sensor. Titan helps to take high-quality pictures and videos with 3264G storage, recording the moment and sharing anytime. Integrated 160 degrees wide-angle lens and professional DSP image processor, supporting 1080p live view, decrease natural light smartly, remain pure high quality of scene. Motion and still 6 thrusters, 4 vertical plus 2 horizontal replaceable propellers, powerful and reliable. Smart hovering at targeted depth and direction, anti-current with high self-balance. Smart hovering at the precision within 2 to 3 centimeters, always focus on the aims, keep Dory alive. Born for exploring as the mightiest underwater gadget, Titan is durable to run up to 4 hours with its multiple extension interfaces. Explore the ocean beyond imagine. Battery chemical content, lithium. Capacity, Titan 10.8 V 9000 mAh 97.2 Wh. Running time, Titan 4 hours. Wireless relay 6 hours. Charging time, Titan 3 hours. Wireless relay 3 hours. Number 1. Gladius Mini Underwater Drone.
This is the Gladius Mini Underwater Drone, your window to the underwater world. It can dive down to an amazing 100 meters deep and propel faster than 2 meters per second. It can rise and dive vertically just like a real submarine and can inspect objects at an adjustable 45-degree angle. With 2 hours of battery life, you can relax and not feel rushed. And because the Gladius has 5 stabilizing propellers, you can record extremely smooth video even on preset angles and depths. You can view crystal clear sea life through its 4K camera. You can explore the deep ocean and reach where you never reached before. It can be easily controlled through your smartphone, and with our intuitive remote steering control, you can use VR goggles for a more immersive experience. You can share up to 3 devices using Wi-Fi, as well as connect to a big screen TV via HDMI. You can even live stream on YouTube. and share instantly to Facebook so that all your friends and fans can join in the fun. The Gladius Mini is small, portable, and great for families, photographers, content creators, and adventure geeks. An underwater world awaits you. Where would you take your Gladius?
So these are best 5 underwater drones. If this video informative, please share to your friends and family, and do not forget click on notification bell and press all to get upcoming interesting videos. Thank you and see you in next video.